I'm gonna make a beat using only one-shots, and if I sound a bit weird, that's because I'm a bit sick. But let's do this. I'm gonna use Splice for the one-shots, and to make things a little easier, I'm gonna filter them to the key of C, and now I just have to find some interesting sounds. I'm not gonna use quantization on these. Because I want them to go like trim. I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker. Can we still quote Beyonce? Let's not get into that. I'm on the TikTok, you know. Let's go with this one. I'm gonna lose the attack. Wait. Oh, it's here. Out you go. Quick preset. This looks a lot like the Waves plugin. Forgot its name, but this is Cubase's cloner. Very nice plugin. I'm gonna have to pitch it up to sound good with the rest. It's better. I want to turn these into glide notes. So I'm going to go back to the editor, turn on monophonic and legato mode, and then I can control the glide with this one. It's about right. Add a little movement, like a wah-wah pedal. I'm gonna have to automate this pedal. Draw this in. That's a wah-wah. I've added this delay on an effects track because I'm going to automate the panning on that. Draw this in. Probably here, make it long enough. This one to the right, and then go whoops. And I think these can be higher. Oh, this one's off. Right. Little vocal sound could be interesting. Taking away the attack again. This is turning into a very rhythmic type melody, but I quite like it. Straight to me basket. Turn the velocity up a bit. That's way too loud. Little reverb. An 808 is a one shot, so sounds good. A little compression. Turn the glide up. I might want to create a loop so this can play longer. Like I want to loop this part because this part is a full note and this is kind of more quiet. So I'm going to create a continuous loop and then make it start here, around there. When you loop things, you're going to have a crossover, and in that crossover, you kind of want the waveform to match because then it sounds better. So now we have this. Better. I can just keep this. Oops. No worries. Quantize lengths. Here we go. A little ping pong delay. Why not? I can just leave this one as it is as well. I don't want the bass in this one though, because I have my 808. So like this. Drums. This key sound is actually from a sample pack I released a long time ago, but I recorded these keys in stereo, fancy. And of course, I like my little reversed hi-hat. I kind of want to add some Splice vocals, even though those are not really one-shots. So let's arrange this and add a vocal. All right, so I've added these vocals. Really nice. Not mine. Got them off of Splice. And let's listen to the beat. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go lie down now, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.